The topic of today's video is how to fix issues with account removal on Messenger. Well, let's have a look. Let's first follow the basic steps, right? So let's go to menu in the bottom right, three little lines. Then we're gonna go to settings. From there, we're gonna go to manage accounts. And now when you slide to the left here, you're supposed to see a trash icon, but you see for me, there is no trash icon. Why is that? That is because this is the only Facebook account that I'm logged in with. This is the one connected to my actual Facebook. So if I had other accounts, the trash can would be there. So your options are A, if you're trying to add a new account and want to remove the old one, just add the new one first and then remove the old one. Alternatively, go to Facebook and log out of Facebook. Even if you don't have Facebook, you might have had it when you installed Messenger for the first time. So get Facebook, log in, log out, I guess, give that a try and see if that fixes your problem. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.